Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about the aliases in this video, and this tutorial will be focusing on how we can actually use aliases in a table and in a column name if we wanted to display it as something else. So let's go ahead. We have this SQL server running here in this right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and query this human resources employee table. So now we can see that we have the job title, right here. We have birth date, we have the national ID number, we have the login ID. So we have a bunch of different attributes. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna introduce. I'm just gonna select a few columns. Let's say I'm gonna select I'm interested in the job title. I'm also interested in let's have some identification of the person. So I'm also interested in the national ID number. And I'm also interested in, let's say, the vacation hours and the vacation hours and the sick leave hours. Let's make sure I've got the spelling right. Perfect. And then I'm gonna write the keyword from, and then I'm gonna just specify the table name here. So that would be human resources dot employee table. I'm just gonna go ahead and run this query. That is perfect. So we got the job title, we got the national ID number of the person, and we got the vacation hours, and we got the sick leave hours. Now if I just wanted to actually have another query, let's just copy paste it so that'll be easier. And I'm interested in the vacation hours. But I just wanted to know, basically, for example, if I'm actually paying them, for example, $20 per hour, and I wanted to know the vacation hours, I wanted to know how much is basically the due amount for the employees to be paid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually write vacation hours into 20, and this will give me a due amount which has to be paid for the employees. Let's just write in the next line. All right, so here, there we go. So this is basically the due amount, which you can see in an additional column here, which actually displays the due amount which has to be paid to the employees for their vacation hours, with respect to their vacation hours. So now what if we can see that there's no column name associated with that, with the additional column that we just added. So what if I just wanted to actually we wanted to have a name for that column. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to actually write here the keyword as, and I'm just going to let's just take it to the next line, and I'm just going to write as amount due. So I'm just going to name it. I'm just going to name this column as amount due. And I'm just going to go ahead and run this query. So you can see now that that actually has been renamed. The additional column has been renamed to the column name amount due. So that is basically the work of aliases. That's how aliases work. We can also have an alias along with we can actually have it with the table name as well. So human resources that employee table can be actually, we can just reference that table with an alias. Let's call it for example E, and then every column, every attribute can be actually referenced with that alias. So that will be very easy when it comes to joins and multiple tables. Now note here that it can be actually referenced with and without the keyword, with and without the alias as well. So even if you actually include the alias or not, it will be actually referenced, and that will display me, and that will actually give me the results out of the query. Thanks a lot for that's it for today, and thanks a lot for watching, guys, and you have a great day. Thank you.